Hey Ava, this is Mr. Pedersen. I'm going to show you how to change an equation from standard form to slope-intercept form. So standard form is just going to be ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c are just whole numbers. And this problem that we have here to begin with is a standard form. So it's 5x minus 4y, so my b is negative 4, is equal to 3. And what I have to do is I have to change that to slope-intercept form. So I want it to look like y equals mx plus b. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. And you're going to do it just by using simple math that you already know how to do. So I'm going to go back up here and I write down the original equation, which is 5x minus 4y is equal to 3. And I'm going to solve this equation for y. Because if I have y all by itself on the left side and my x term and my number on the right side, I'll have it in slope-intercept form. So to do that, the first thing I have to do is move everything to the right place. So I just want y on the left side of the equation. So that means I have to make a zero pair with my 5x. I'll do that with a negative 5x, and I'll do that to both sides of the equation. 5x and negative 5x make 0. I can bring down the negative 4y. And now my 3 and my 5x, negative 5x, I can't combine because they're different things. They're different types of terms. One is an x term and one is a number. So I'll just write them, and I'll write them in the right order. Negative 5x plus 3. Okay? So now I have everything in the right order. If you notice, I have my y first, my x on the right side of the equal sign, and my constant, or my 3 over there also. So now what I got to do is I have to make it 1y. And the way I do that is by dividing by the number of y's. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 4, because if I divide one thing by negative 4, I have to make sure I divide everything by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1, so I just have y on the left side, which is what I want. And then a negative divided by negative is going to be a positive, so I really have just 5 over 4x. And then a positive divided by a negative is a negative, so I'm going to have minus 3/4. Okay, where did I get that? 5 divided by 4 is 5/4. 3 divided by 4 is 3/4. And this is negative because the signs are different. This is positive because the signs are the same. Let me show you how to put it into the problem that we solve. So the first thing I would do is I would write down, move the x's to the right side of the equation. I did that with a negative 5x. So I had negative 4y equals negative 5x plus 3. Then it says show division to find 1. I should say 1y. So the way I do that, it's going to be negative 4y, negative 4 divided by negative 4y equals negative 5 divided by negative 4x plus 3 divided by negative 4. And then the final step will be just to write my final equation, which is y is equal